Okay, so we got to state the null and alternate hypothesis. So let's do that first. So null hypothesis is time of day and number of people walking dogs is independent. Time of day and number of people walking dogs is independent. Alternate hypothesis is time of day and number of people walking dogs is dependent. Write a description of where. So write a description for both for this one because I have both. It says 5% significance level. So if the p-value is greater than 0.05, then accept. The null hypothesis, if the p-value is less than 0.05, reject the null hypothesis. And then if the chi-square value is less than 9.488, then accept the null hypothesis. And if the chi-square value is more than 9.488, then reject null hypothesis. I got to calculate these now, so I'm going to be more careful. If you did number 5, I did it wrong and then had to redo it. So I'm going to go to matrix A. I'm going to edit it. It is 3 by 3 again. This is the observed frequencies. So 8, 6, 18, 13, 8, 23, 21, 7, 16. So there's my observed frequencies. Now I got to take the time and do my expected frequencies in matrix B. It's 3 by 3. Remember, row total times column total divided by grand total. So 32 times 42 divided by 120. 32 times 21 divided by 120. And then 32 times 57 divided by 120. 44 times 42 divided by 120. 44 times 21 divided by 120. 44 times 57 divided by 120. 44 times 42 divided by 120. 44 times 57 divided by 120. 44 times 57 divided by 120. And I did something wrong here. This one I think is wrong. 44 times 21 divided by 120. Yes, because those last two rows should be the same because they have the same row total and column total. So I don't know what I did wrong, but I got it now. So when I'm going to hit stat, I'm going to go to test. I'm going to go up to C. So I'm going to run that test. I forgot to put the matrix in there again, so I'll go back and do that. And drag and drop that into there, and then I'm going to go back to the matrix. Whoops. I'm going to drag and drop that. So there's my expected frequency table. I'm going to put it there so that someone can see, grading it can see if I made a mistake or not. And I'm going to bring this down here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a statement, a conclusion for P and that. So the P value. So 0.257 is greater than 0.05. So we accept the null hypothesis, meaning time of day and number of people walking dogs are independent. And then, let's see, the chi-square value is 5.3. So 5.30 is less than 9.488. So we accept the null hypothesis, meaning time of day and number of people walking dogs are independent. All right, so you made it this far. You should be ready to go and try to do one of these all by yourself in the last file. The last file are all old IB exam questions.